Hi everybody, so we are going to cover for loops in Python. Loops, as you know, are very important because within a loop you can have items or data, and loops allow for iterations to occur within data. So you can extract various indices within the actual array. So for a for loop, we could start with for I in, and then I keep 1, 2, 5. And we're gonna test this out and see what happens. So we want to print. We want to print the value. Sometimes you have to get used to just the typing portion of this. Okay, and then we want to print I. Print I. Error. Line 3. Oh. Okay. Let's save this. Do it again. There we go. So of course I had to always get an error, but it's okay because we learn from our errors. So you have to be very careful to pay attention to syntax. So what we did was the for loop. So we did for I could be A, B, C, D, J, right? But for the value of I, we have the value 1, 2. I is storing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is amazing because just one single letter can store all of this data. And then we want to print value, and it takes in two arguments. We're telling it we want to print value, the word, which is what we have here, and then we want to print I. And so I represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.